freedom of the mind is real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though may he not be chained, is a slave, not a free man. Quoted by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Honorable jury members and all my dear friends, today I am going to present my views on the topic, are we independent? Yes sir, we are independent. Because today, as citizens of India, no one can force us to travel in a certain bogie or in a certain place. Yes sir, we are independent because without any fear we can openly criticize the government and its unjust policies. We are given two basic laws by the Constitution of India, that are right to speech and right to dissent. In last 70 years, we have accomplished many marvels in the field of science, including the Mangalyaan being sent to orbit the Mars and the Pokhran nuclear test, both paving our path for Bharat to becoming the Vishwaguru once again. Remembering the former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he quoted that ask not what your country has done for you, rather ask what you can do for your country. Today there is a need for all of us to get united for the cause of eradicating the hunger, the unemployment and injustice from our country. In recent years, we have significantly worked in the field of female empowerment and it has shown the results. In the recent year, the number of females in the assembly has risen many folds. The number of females in the corporate society has also increased significantly. We have to work in few more fields that are more concerning, that is education, media and judiciary. So the decreasing rank of our country in the press freedom is a concerning situation because in democracy the media is considered to be its fourth pillar. People have to wait for more than 10 years and so many more do not even get justice in our country. It is very disgrace, or it is not a good situation to see a mother roaming for 7 long years so that she can get justice for her child or daughter. In recent COVID situation, we have always seen the highly elevated levels of corruption being done. The basic medicines and basic equipments of medical care are given at the price of 10 folds. So there is also a concerning situation happening in Afghanistan where people are forced to fight the organization which will put a ban on the education of females. To conclude it, I just want to quote Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He said that however good a constitution may be, it may turn out to be bad if people who are set to govern it happens to be the bad lot. The bad constitution may turn to be the greatest if the people who are called to work upon it happen to be a good lot. Sir, as a people, we need to elect the representative which are more educated, dedicated and have the skills, rather than we choose the people belonging to our caste, creed or religion. If we as people follow this principle, our country may become great again. Thank you.